If you, like myself, have been experiencing some handlebar wobbling on your Triumph Bonneville T120, this video may be for you. After I purchased my Bonneville T120, I noticed that if I let go of my handlebars with my hands, I get almost like a wobble, like a tank slapping effect on my handlebars. And I know many people say you shouldn't even take your hands off the handlebars, and I understand, except that sometimes you gotta zip up or adjust a glove. Things happen, an issue, until I got the Bonneville. And let me show you the footage. So I'm riding and I let go of my handlebars, and then boom, there's like a little shake. Yep, first bump right there. There you go, it just caught it. And if I didn't let it go, it would just go out of control. So of course I grab it, and then it hits a little bump, and then you start noticing the wobble. Yep, there it is. And that's really the issue that I had, and it kind of had me worried, especially on the highway. So I tried different tires. I ended up working with the suspension, but really what happened is I just didn't realize, yep, there it is, that I really needed a steering damper. And this is kind of the importance because it's also good on the highway, and I almost find that it's like a safety risk. But if you don't go on the highway a lot and you use the bike, sparingly, then it's probably not an issue. But I ended up, getting that fixed because it was just bothering me. And what happens is, here's my steering damper, and I'm going to reconnect it now. I am going to put some links in the description. So I'm just going to attach it now to show you the difference of what happens when I let go of the handlebars and this steering damper is attached. It really locks the bike together. You will feel it when you're leaning on turns, and when you are going over bumps at high speeds. So here we go again, and I am letting go right now, and look at that. It's hitting bumps and nothing. Look, just locked together. And that's the importance of the steering damper, I think. Look at that. I mean, I'm letting go. I have to throttle up here. There we go. And nothing. Bumps, absolutely nothing. So that's the big difference, I think, about controlling the front end. The front end seems to be lighter on this bike. When I have a little windscreen and I'm on the highway, it seems to lock that down a lot better. But this isn't something that was just unique to my Bonneville. I ended up testing other Bonneville T120s, and they had the same issue. I'm not quite sure if the T100s have that or if the Speed Twins have that, but this is certainly something worth mentioning, and maybe you've been looking for an answer, because when I started looking for an answer, I could not find one. So as soon as I kind of dialed that in, I said to myself, I'm going to make a video. Anyways, a couple $100 and a speeding damper here will fix it. You can get an Olin's original one for quite a bit more, but that's up to you. Anyways, just thought I would make this video to kind of give some of that information on the handling and having trouble with the handlebar wobble on a Triumph Bonneville T120. I'm curious maybe if you've had the same issue. If you have, please write some comments. Maybe you have other fixes as well. And as always, thank you for watching, and ride safe.